Britain continues each advancement across the globe, clutching each country by the face, it goes into a new period of occupation which hasn't been seen since the colonial years. That's right, and these protests haven't been taken kindly. These liberal protests have been happening all through the era, and the police have warned for action against them.
Good morning, my name's Jen Eric. I'm calling from phone company number 6. That's right. Just wondering if I could tell you a few things about our new phone. It's the Xenia on the top 927642. You act now as a subscription service charge of only £15 a day until you send stop to 18060724. You get on the WAP menu. You go on the WAP menu of your phone. You don't have WAP, doesn't matter. But until then, we're going to have to charge you £13.76 every 5 minutes and £17.72 every other 8 minutes. Now, if you don't want this, just say that's okay. We don't work. If you go for the premium package,
So tired of all the struggling, so tired of all the juggling. My mind, it needs some healing. 'Cause my heart has lost its feeling.
Hello, mate. Hello, how's it going, mate? Oh, nice shirt, mate. Ooh, look at that tie. Woo-wee. Yeah, he's a sexy boy. Anyway, you off to? Got some money in your pocket, eh? Got some loose shrapnel? Buy myself a nice shirt and tie like yours, eh? Yeah, cheers, mate. Nice one, nice one. Yeah.
hello? Finally someone to talk to. Thank God for that. I've been sitting in your automated phone service for 5 hours. I've recently bought your XJ72 printer, and it's broken. I've tried pressing backspace, I've tried pressing on. I'm thinking of going over to Canon Bumblejet. I've just had enough of you, your cup.
Every time you feel it burn, it's just a lesson you must learn. Hey, hey, everybody has their turn. It's just the knowledge you must learn. It's just the knowledge you must learn. It's just the knowledge you must learn.
Go on, mate. leave it to it, mate.
Don't stress when things get tough. Be still when life gets rough. When you're out and you find out a way, you won't carry more than you can bear.
Oh my god, he's so cute, he's protesting.
Every time you feel it burn, it's a lesson you must learn.
Morning once again. Another fine day and more strange goings on in the capital. That's right, Bob. And if you did pass Parliament yesterday, you would have seen several picketers protesting against what's happening.
Thanks, Bob. We can confirm that this person is Ed Beringer, a local office clerk at Inc. He looks like he's doing his Sleep for Peace, and he's getting lots of support for it.
And despite several warnings from the police, the protest seems to be going on further and stranger. No rioting, no protesting, just sleeping. The Sleep for Peace. Jim Jimson reports.
Thanks, Bob. Yes, we're still live at the scene here with Ed Beringer doing his Sleep for Peace. He's actually got some support from Dalai Lama and David Beckham. Also, Greenpeace want to try to elect him as a headpiece.
What do you think of Ed Beringer's recent protests?
Well, it's only Parliament. Probably
Yes.
the man's a crank.
If you had one message you could give to Ed Beringer, what would it be?
That he's not going the right way about it.
I heard he's going to sleep for 2 weeks outside the House of Parliament.
He's going around there, yeah, and he's sleeping loud. They can't move it, they can't do nothing. He's greased.
Let's make him worldwide. Let everyone know.
What do you think of Ed Beringer's recent protests?
Oh, mate, he's a geezer. Yeah, he's all right. He's good. He always helps support, mate. He's
What do you think of Ed Beringer's recent protests?
I just see him and it's a really amazing guy.
I'm on my way now, mate. I'm going to carry him and his message.
He's getting international press from people like France, Germany showing support.
Avec Ed Beringer, il est en train de dormir depuis 80 heures.
Let us stay here. But I want 24 hours. But they were there. Sleep.
Thanks, Bob. Success here, and he's done it. Gordon Brown has retreated from all the other countries, saying sorry to them and saying he won't do it again. Now, it looks to me that things are back to normal, thanks to Ed Beringer and his Sleep for Peace.
Welcome back. And in other news, millionaire tramp Toothless Joe has been found dead after having a falling printer fall on his head.
Good morning, it's Jen Eric again. You asked me to call back later about the new Quasi 7 phone. Do you remember? We talked on the phone. You said you weren't a Mac man and I told you to be about Windows. Imagine that playing solitaire on your phone. Oh, I used to play solitaire. I used to be solitaire champion. I could do solitaire in about 5 seconds. Before I got this job, solitaire man. People will pay me just to play solitaire near me. Good morning, it's Jen Eric again.
Every time you feel a burn, it's just a lesson you must learn. Hey, hey, everybody has their turn. It's just the knowledge you must learn. It's a fever, driving you, taking you deeper. Whoa, it's a rapture, refining you, make you shine brighter. And every time you feel it burn,